Hi, boys and girls. How are you? This is Mr. Gennrich, of course, and
Gracie.
we figured it might be time to do another experiment. It's been a while since we did our last one, so I got a pretty cool one here. All we need for the experiment is a non-porous dish, which would be something like a glass bowl or maybe like a white plate, something you can see it, a dry erase marker, and some warm water. All right, so I'm gonna have Mrs. Gennrich come around here in a second, and we'll get things going. And I should add that I've got my Michigan hat on for several of you, especially some teachers that I work with that just absolutely love this. In fact, one actually bought patio furniture to match this color. Let's try drawing a star here. That's a cool looking star.
Yeah.
You see that one? All the stars out there. Here we go. All right, we're gonna pour it on there. Probably not right on it. Oh, look at that. Look at that.
Wow.
It came apart a little bit. You can see it's like a floating star. You've heard of shooting stars, right?
Yeah.
Well, this one's a floating star. I think my marker's a little old. It might be a little bit better if you have a brand new marker too. You can see how it's kind of sticking together. You see that, Mrs. Gennrich?
That's cool. It's like magical.
And a note, I've tried this a few times, right?
Yeah.
The way that it seemed to work the best is when the container, the plate, the bowl, whatever you use is cold and the water's kind of like room temperature. And then don't pour it directly right on whatever you draw, because then it just kind of like messes it up. And then the last thing that we did, what was it, Mrs. Gennrich?
Make sure you don't lift up on the marker.
Yeah, so it works better if you're drawing something and you don't lift up like the star. I kind of stay connected and stuff like that. And give it a shot. I mean, maybe if your marker is a little bit better than the one I'm using, you know, you might not even have an issue. Okay?
Yeah.
Is that good advice?
Mm-hmm.
All right, boys and girls, I will see you later. I miss you guys a lot, and I will see you online. Say bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye, guys.